Welcome to Dynamics Training.
This video will cover the various options for searching within Dynamics. I'm going to cover relevant search, which will give you the broadest amount of results for your search criteria, quick search from a grid view, and the ad hoc filtering of a grid view, which will give you the narrowest or more focused results for your search. Relevant search will return the broadest amount of results for your search criteria. This is because relevant search will search any field in any entity that has been enabled for relevant search. So including text that might be in notes or attachments or emails that are associated with the records. So let's take a look now at relevant search for a particular loan number. I'm going to go up here and look for loan number 016017 and see what relevant search will return. As you can see here in the body, it shows all the different records that are associated with 016017. So we have some loans, we have a consent. If I scroll down, we have an account that actually has those numbers in it. There's a completion repairs, there's some notes, insurance renewals, property, tasks, emails, all number of things. Anything that would have that particular number in it will appear in relevant search. Over on the left-hand sidebar, there are other ways to further narrow down your search. As you can see, you can search by record type, by owner, by the date modified on, or the date created on. As you're looking at these, you can see, for example, this is completion repairs, attachments, insurance renewals, email messages, and each one has a number next to it that indicates how many of the results apply to that particular facet. You can also expand this and show more. So there are accounts, notes, consents, financials, inspection results, and loans. Similarly, you can also narrow down your search by the owner of the records. And then if you're looking for the records of a particular person, then you can just click on their name and only their records will appear. Scrolling down a little bit more, you can also change the modified on dates or the created on dates to find records from a particular period. So for example, if I slide this slide all the way over to here, you can see that it says I'm now only looking at records that were modified today. If I slide it back one more, it refreshes and now it's looking at things that were modified within the past week. Slide back one more, things that were modified up to a month ago. One more, these are modified within the last year, and then finally all the way out means you're looking at all the records that are associated again with that number 016017. Now let's take a look at the difference between relevant search and quick search, which is the next level down of narrowing down your search. When you're on a dashboard, you'll see a search box that says search for records. But if you have accessed a grid view, for example here, I'm now on a full grid view of my active asset manager consents. The quick search in this case is in the upper right hand corner. Now the difference between relevant search and quick search is that in relevant search, where it showed all different records, all different kinds of records that were associated with the loan number I was looking for, since I'm here within the consents application and I'm looking at a consents grid view, if I do a search now on a loan number, it's only going to return me records that are consents for that search. So going here again and looking at the 016017, remember there was just that one consent that was associated with that number, and here it is. To get back to my grid view, all I need to do is come over here to the search results and go back to my active asset manager consents. But a very important thing to remember about quick search is that it is not just searching on this particular grid view. This is already a narrowed down view that's only showing me my asset manager consents, the things that I'm assigned to. When you're searching in quick search, it is going to be looking for all consents. So notice here on this grid view, I have 15 total records that are assigned to me. If I do a search on UT0001, for example, that loan number, there are 27 records that show up. So don't be confused by this. This is because there are 27 consents that are associated with that particular loan number. And again, it's not just searching my personal list view. It's searching all of them. So how do you narrow it down and look for just a particular loan number that is in your own personal list view? That's where the filtering comes in. Over here on the right hand side, you can see the little funnel to filter this list. If you click on that, you'll be able to search each column for specific information. If I come over here to the loan number column, then click on the down arrow and go to Custom Filter, now I can say that I'm looking for a loan number that equals 001008, for example. Click OK, and now it will return me just that loan number that was in my grid view. So that's the difference between quick search and filtering. Quick search will search all of consents. The filtering will filter just within your grid. Hopefully this video has given you a better idea about the differences between relevance search, searching using quick search from a grid view, and using the filtering to filter within a grid view. Please reach out to Greystone IT Support if you encounter any issues or have any questions by emailing support@grayco.com. Please mention Dynamics in the subject of your email. See you next time for more Dynamics training.